In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change data retention period in Google Analytics GA4. Before we jump in, a quick note on what this setting controls. The data retention period determines how long Google Analytics keeps certain user and event-level data that powers your explorations, ad hoc analyses, and some remarketing features. Shorter retention can help with privacy and storage considerations, while a longer window preserves more historical detail for analysis. Changing this is a strategic choice, so keep your organization's compliance and reporting needs in mind. First, open your Google Analytics account. Make sure you're working in the correct GA4 property for the site or app you intend to manage. If you have multiple properties, take a second to confirm you're in the right one before continuing, because retention settings are property-specific and affect analysis for that property. Next, click Admin Settings. You'll find the admin area represented by a gear icon. This is the control center for property configuration, and it's where Google places all of the data, access, and product linking options. We're going to use it to reach the data controls we need. Inside the admin area, click Data Collection. This section focuses on how your property gathers and processes incoming analytics data. It's designed to house privacy-related and collection-related options, so it's the right place to revisit whenever your data governance policies evolve. Now, click Data Retention. This brings you to the page where Google Analytics outlines how long it will keep certain user and event-level data available for queries and explorations. Here, you'll typically see a drop-down or selector with available retention options. The choices you see can vary by account type and configuration, but the idea is the same. You're defining the maximum time period that this detailed data remains accessible. Here, you can change the data retention period. Choose the time frame that aligns with your reporting cadence and regulatory requirements. For example, if your team regularly analyzes trends across seasonal cycles, a longer retention period can provide a fuller picture. If your priority is minimizing stored user-level detail, a shorter period may be more appropriate. Keep in mind that reducing retention makes older detailed data eligible for removal over time, which can limit the depth of future historical analysis in explorations. Also remember that this setting influences certain advanced analyses rather than your high-level aggregated reports, which often remain available beyond the user-level retention window. That's it. You've navigated to the correct area and made the adjustment. Review your analytics needs periodically and revisit this setting as your business, privacy obligations, and analysis scope change.